said the name is Kana. Unim said, I come to win some day. You knew whom come on Cherubia. Intina from the start. Ye process and I'm a catcher say, my winning ho, my vampire 130 in a bibia, and you're successful. She say, what documents are we here? Biaba.
Oh, that's right.
We birth certain information no.
Ah, okay. Now, or the hello babe nishim.
You wanna say hello babe here? Guy name no.
Ah, so what you couldn't watch better hello babe na attach no.
Debbie.
Of hello babe nashim.
Ah. Hello babe dear, who koye de when busy hona koye hello.
Debbie no dey bibia now make sure say fan kan wo na fa.
Eno hu hia, e na we so ye bank statement no.
Bank statement no.
Bank statement ni.
Okay.
Ha. So Barclays Bank of Ghana. Swift code. Oh, enoni short code 030657. Ni nyina fa 223 mo.
Eno me kwa mfa nkoma na asem fan woto.
There be it could be say umbebisa, could be so misa bet ni nyina e wo inside. On them any. To Barclays any.
Ah, me
account details. Barclays hand J.
Account details. Bank of Ghana.
Ghana passport no so.
Passport ni.
Yeah.
And picture boom.
A picture boom. No wa picture the boom.
Na we so fa hello babe mama.
Tikuni ja. E o na adwuma no ho information ni. Wo ye obi a we revenue authority.
Ba kwa from.
Mefa any. Adwuma ho documents ni.
Adwuma na me koye
multi TV
installation
any. Na adwuma ho certificate tu ni.
Jam adwuma na me ye no certificate.
Adwuma no ho certificate na adwuma na documents ni. Tax a watu a. Tell say wo te Ghana ha no nye kohwini no any.
Yo.
Intije.
Yo.
Require the needed information be here no. Inti and one secret a woman so say say wo fa no ya ye no adoption
Ya adopt ya
wo fa no e adopt you
o teme
or till say or foul
or family
or ha ye wo processing no adoption it say obi na e till ahwe wo se ne ba.
Yo.
Yes.
Yo.
Enti sesi no ye yi o marriage status no ye yi akoto single.
When you got to single
sesi no uyo obi a
me wale
o nware o ye single.
Me wale so what you just my wale
Adoption won ti ase
so what me
e ma me cho say enti wo dwene na da utirim no obi a waware awo obi be da adopt no
Jimmy ko twa se me wale ye aka wo ni twa se me yire wo ma
obi a wo kwan e fa so odi etu kwan nya ne papers wo de ye adoption aka American embassy wo mu di agora na
Mate afro mate ase
enti you just fa so otrim say wo ye single na any single no na ya teke no wa ha no
single no
marital status
single
eno mama ke no enti umu information bia kire say wo ye single person na obi na etew omu dem ejo no enti ukoni ebisa wa make sure say onkoka wo yire ho ye ne udi nkomo na me yire no memfa wo yire ne nkwan bazi ho
wono family nkwan bazi ho na wo
unyes meka wo fa agbo no se woko na woko trip wo interview na se na eniema ebasa amema wie o magimi sika wie genuine documents ne kura wo no bank statement am print ma almost 70,000 Ghana cedis na wo da ho bank account um sesie ya print amount enti fashem me
e wo so me hono ma wo ka chem yi na say me yira no se na so ti asem me beti o
ukodro brochire ho bia ukodro utra wakodro brochire wi wo frɛ na wo yire kasa broni betuma kasa wo na wo yire kasa enti sign ekwan obefo so wo de betra border na ye dwena ma wo because America kuro na da ho na ye kuro bia se Jimmy phobia na ye na kwotena so ana
o de mate why
o de fokoko bodon
me do kan na say me kwa
fa ni nyina she
o kan me
passport ne o bank statement ndi hia
yo mate
we by residential address we baby ye hwehwe wo a
ye be hu me no
e be hu ene wo next of kin in case wo ni hosisi e nipa so wo de ama pokua say wo sister
my sister ama pokua
ama pokua na hye so nti bisa wo say wo next of kin na che say wo ni ho a hwan ne ye contact no
de obesi manam
ene ne ama pokua no
no ka me ni me ma ho
wo yire no ma bay obi a ye adopt no wo hu obi a ye adopt na wa ware awoda umma adwene ne nya adwuma
mate
residential address ne information akani yo nti all the best appointment ne Nyankopon bo etanopa 9:30 anopa 9:30 nti by bay 8 na wo ho American embassy honom number no ne bibia na hye so no eni telephone eni nti anopa bay 7 obenya call ombesa email you hanti email na o check email mu na o ma email wo mo the time ni bibia be ka ho
na afroka
na uko
afroka
nti Simon Nwumrei
enre ya
Simon Nwumrei se da bia obetuma koduru Accra emfa se unu Accra e se abobe etu nti u Simon Nwumrei abe 4 hours
asana maduru
na wakopi hotel bia lodge
na ka no ya afroka be
ka wo de kwa Accra so me na wo se metu suma kokofa Prague akọ
na skasem no wo se me na me de ma na ka ska no nso me ka ska no so
ene kopele lele ni bi se lele ni 6 cities Accra Kumasi
yo
6 cities
maturity
umpe o future yi na obekọ akofa lele so a me de Nyankopon ja why
anti kiss ka fish kiss
all right
tino you be sure
they say the genuine documents nam dey amount who you cool why
mate
all right Moniska oso mpese mutu kwan asa akwantu onye ize o hello hey chai oh nice na ye de Nyankopon ase wa kodru dia ye so de na America no wo pese wo kwa udika ko Dubai ana krobia mfa nse na wo de apɛ travel experience because virgin passport pa wo de ko America de menye sure say e3 1 week mate o ba no apɛ designer boxer shorts bia bre manager miss designers designer boxer mate ufri Dubai ba kebab na beta bre me o de o kadivi nsensem na ne de o adwunim mate do the all the best why all right
boss pacho me jina ho twen okay yo
yeah oba
pacho
oh okay nice what me call Accra what you saying
pacho me 100 cedis so
eheni ha 100 cedis I don't make me man is man saying I don't physical man come akoma be born man saying 900 cedis I don't make kwa for one what the mama 30
oh boss pacho 30 dey no dey 80 cedis na phone ko
80 cedis nyahwe yanko nyahwe ade me yiri na man pressure nko interview yanko
no, mommy. Catch your sister say me we be no uncle upstairs on in Sabekan BB away. Okay, you are welcome once again. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Next. Me passion why no. Hi. I hope so, maybe.
Okay.
Aqua Bank so.
Yeah, nah.
Okay.
But your interview is number.
Oh, I know.
But your documents.
Okay. And your passport, no?
Oh.
Maybe I should.
Yeah, be in touch.
Alright, I'll be. Let me see that. Hi, welcome to the Ghana to American Embassy.
Thank you.
Okay. Mr. Tikuni, right?
Yeah, that's me.
The multi-TV installer.
Yeah, professional multi-TV installer. Okay. That's me, Tikuni TVGH. Hello, babe.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years.
29 years?
Yes.
And which year were you born?
6 March 1990.
6 March
1990.
I asked you the year.
The year?
Yeah.
1990.
Okay, good. Please, can I get your bank statement?
Pardon?
Your bank statement.
I don't get you.
Your bank statement.
Bank statement?
Yeah.
Ah, it's in.
Oh, okay.
It's well accurate.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's accurate. You seen it?
Yeah. How much do you have in it?
Oh, maybe I'm going to 100 Ghana I'll call and I'm going to.
Huh?
Maybe I'm going to 100 Ghana I'll call and I'm going to.
Okay. So, how do you relate to the person that you're going to?
Oh, my
Who is he to you?
My uncle Mofa.
Your uncle?
Yeah, Mofa.
How old is he?
58.
58.
Yeah, 58.
And for how long has he been staying in US?
Pardon?
How long has he been staying in US?
US?
Yeah.
US 40 years.
40 years.
Yeah, 40 years.
You said he's 50 years, right? 58 years.
Oh, excuse me. I have him.
No, we don't do that here, please.
Oh, this one is emergency.
No,
my wife. Please,
Are you
please.
serious at all?
Yeah, my wife.
Tukuni.
Yeah, hello, babe.
Tukuni.
Yes.
I have one story and papa one first time for no kind of better good.
Oh, no, I can't see me interview. More interview, more embassy, me interview.
And the make a cancer. I didn't know a story of papa come in when you can't talk. And you know, baby, cry near the end of the school.
Oh, yeah, man, yes, I didn't miss me interview. What's all disturb me? I'm dealing with embassy things. Your capacity. Oh, man, yes, sir.
Come on, one to what's one or brooch the choir. I don't know what's while I know to place. What's your seven American?
And I'm Menquanamo, and Mammy, you other Menquanawana.
Hey, I'm in Casancho. So the one young tell you for now, you know, I'm paid. I'm sending you over when you get Mount Plana. You might make you know.
Oh, Jai, my blow. I don't Menquanawana. I'm never cut from. A dear Clary, Menquanawana.
Are you done?
Oh, Patrick, put some grouse in it.
Are you a married man?
Me?
Yeah.
Aye. Mawale.
Good. Then I'm sorry.
My own mommy, you know.
The results here shows that you were a single person. So I'm sorry you don't qualify to travel outside the country, okay?
Oh, madam, Mr. Pressure, I don't.
So?
Wife call, wife for frame, you know, my pressure about me, no. Oh, I am me. Connection my grand catcher me. Some background can make us me wale, me nimba. I don't know from madam with the interview from Mr. Water.
Are you serious at all?
Oh, madam, I serious. Oh, I am pressure.
You don't qualify. You have to leave
oh,
here,
madam, slow.
Next time.
I don't know what about my son. Oh, Fred, what's up? I'm confused, Yapa.
Please, you're making a lot of noise here.
Madam, slow.
You can have your documents. You can have your documents.
I can't believe it, you know. My baka, only this kind of cinema when I say, Mano.
Please, you are making a lot of noise here. Here is an office, you hear me? Excuse me, hold it right there. Excuse me, what do you take me for 1 cedi? What do I do with it?
Oh,
huh?
There is a guy that must sort something out to not come who they come and come.
Serious. Come on, get your documents.
I don't want this canoe.
Have it.
Oh, him, hello, Pep.
What's wrong with you?
We can sort something out.
Are you collecting your documents or I call the security to show you out of here?
Mama, when you security yourself, or your child on the way security yourself. Ah, where's good?
Come on, get it. Who could you see a scammer connection my phone with the music at the time I can say, who not share me? Say, me, what connection my can say, me, cause I'm worry. When you're serious, next time. I had you need to before you come to an interview. Next, who is there? This guy is not serious at all.